Okay, it seems OnePlus really working hard to release OxygenOS 14 for OnePlus smartphones. Today OnePlus have released the first official OxygenOS 14 Open Beta 1 for OnePlus 10 Pro. We'll talk about what all new features OnePlus 10 Pro users gonna see after this build. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 10 Pro, which is currently running on the latest build of OxygenOS 14, which is Open Beta 1. As you can see here, previously we had alpha builds and now we have got the official OxygenOS 14 build, which is the first open beta. It says beta version. If I talk about the Android version, here you can see Android version is 14, which comes with 5th October 2023 security patch, and the version is .80. Yesterday OnePlus 11 also received the same update, which had October security patch, though the version number is slightly higher on OnePlus 11. As you can see, it's .82, but the features what OnePlus 11 have got are same on OnePlus 10 Pro with first open beta. I was a part of closed beta testing and I received an OTA update. You can see the update size is around 711 MB. First, talking about the benchmark results. So here are the benchmark results which we performed or tested in high performance mode, and we'll also compare it with the previous build. Towards the left hand side, these are the results on the previous build. You can see slightly lower benchmark results both in single and multi-core. And when we talk about the throttling stuff, that also seems to be affected on this latest build. Here maximum CPU have throttled 78%. On the previous build, there it was 85%. It's not a huge difference, but you might see some performance related issues on this latest build. And now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, I'm really sorry I won't be talking about every new feature which OnePlus 10 Pro have got with OxygenOS 14, because I have already covered those things in my previous OnePlus 10 Pro videos. So if you are really interested in watching all the features of OxygenOS 14, then you can also watch the video which is being displayed on the screen. Now let's talk about the changelogs. So if I go to about section, here you can see these are the changelogs which are smart and efficient, performance optimization, aquamorphic design, and user care. Almost everything we have covered in our previous videos. But few things got changed after this update, and one of them is in the quick setting tiles. You can see, I'm not sure it's a bug or what, but by default now we have this music tile present in the quick setting tiles, and it occupies a lot of space. You won't have any option to edit that or remove it. And I think it's a bug because it's present on my OnePlus 11 also. I hope they fix it in the upcoming build. And one thing which I really don't understand, why OnePlus is not able to implant a auto brightness toggle besides the brightness slider, because here this is the only device which is missing this brightness toggle. Rest every device have the brightness toggle besides the brightness slider. And one thing which you guys will love about OnePlus after OxygenOS 14 updates, basically after beta builds, the animations and haptics have improved a lot, and almost every user who have tested OxygenOS 14 beta builds are appreciating that thing. So you guys let me know your experience about animations and haptics after using OxygenOS 14. And OnePlus have added the most awaited feature which recently OnePlus 11 got, and now it have been added on the OnePlus 10 Pro also, which can be found in the display section. Under screen refresh rate, there's a new tab called app specific refresh rate. So now no more complaints about apps being restricted on 60 Hz. Now you got the option to enable 90 Hz or 120 Hz on almost every application. So here you can see we had issues related to YouTube application, wherein a lot of users wanted YouTube application to run in 120 Hz, and now OnePlus have fixed it. There are few applications which are by default set to 60 Hz, but you can still change the option. If you want 90 Hz or 120 Hz, you can do that. So I'll just show you an example. We have set 120 Hz for YouTube. Now I'll just enable show refresh rate option, and now if I open the application which is YouTube, you can see the app now supports 120 Hz, which feels pretty smooth. So this way you can enjoy every application in 120 Hz. But remember one thing, higher refresh rate will drain more battery of your device. But it's good to see that OnePlus have given us the options to set refresh rate according to the applications. If you guys have seen our OnePlus 11 video, now settings page also got revamped, slight changes are done, and now the settings page kinds of looks similar to iOS. In these sections, we also get to see a single line separating different toggles. Also, OnePlus did add the aquamorphic sounds, or you can say ringtones or notification sounds, Here you can see aquamorphic theme. We have different ringtones, and under notification also we have aquamorphic theme. Spatial audio was already added with the previous build. And guys, I'm exactly not sure whether on the previous build we had the support of 90 FPS or not, but on OnePlus 10 Pro after this update we do have the support of 90 FPS in BGMI, and I played few TDMs. It works perfectly fine. If your device heats up, the FPS drops to 60. Otherwise, device constantly delivers 90 FPS. You can see in compact and lobby we do have the support of 90 FPS, and if I open the gaming dashboard, there also we have the support of 90 FPS. If you're not getting the 90 FPS support, you just make sure you enable the touch optimization feature, or you can say hyper response engine if you are getting 60. So once I turn it off, you can see the device will start to deliver 60 FPS. So make sure you have enabled this feature to get 90 FPS during your gameplay. As you can see, once I have enabled that, we started to receive 90 FPS support. And they did not add the dynamic island stuff which was introduced on OnePlus 11 with Beta 2. But later with this latest beta, which is Beta 3 for OnePlus 11, they have removed that dynamic island type feature. So these are the new add-ons what OnePlus have done for OnePlus 10 Pro. But there are two minor bugs which I have seen after this build. Not after this build, it was present on the previous build also. You can see in the shelf section we do get to see the Chinese text. This is one issue, and after that the another issue which I have noticed on this build is related to clock. So if I start any timer and see the timer in notification panel, you can see every second the timer continuously blinks. So these are the two issues which I have noticed on this build. Other than this, I haven't found any major issue. Soon I'll be dropping a full in-depth review of this build. So if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.